Hi, I'm Star from Star-Tink.com. Mandala Adventure in Nature is a 4-week course. You will receive 4 emails and you will be prompted to create 3 mandalas in nature. How mandalas benefit you? The main reason is to calm the chitter-chatter in your mind, because we all have chitter-chatter. Another benefit is it keeps you focused in the moment, which serves a great balance for your mind, body, and spirit. No time? It's a pretty popular phrase these days. You have time. You have kids? So do I. 2 of them. Take them with you. Create a mandala with them. They will enjoy it. They will have so much fun, and you'll be amazed at how focused they can be on a mandala. You don't have kids. You're busy at work. Gotta go here, gotta go there, gotta meet this person, gotta meet that person. Well, the time that you spend on creating a mandala will benefit your alertness, which will, in return, give you time to live that busy life you live and in a better, more relaxed way. So I ask you to allow yourself the space and time for creativity and self-nourishment, because it's well worth it. Thank you.